Kariban, si former Senator Trillanes.
Of course, hindi ko siya karibal. Saan ko siya karibal?
Pero ma'am,
tinatanong ko yung bangko, bakit may ganito? Sabi nila baka non-existent talaga yan na mga accounts. So,
how was his performance from 1 to 10? What was your answer to him, really?
Sabi niya, kumusta yung performance ko? And I said, best dramatic actor. Sabi niya, you have to rate from 1 to 10. Sabi ko, you're at 12.
But he was really...
Yung mga bank accounts po ni former President Duterte, ni Mang Adilet, saka yung sa inyo daw, na joint account daw. And sabi po ni PRRD na he's willing to quote him, magbigti daw po in public, and he will also push you and your brothers, Pongpulong and Mayor Baste, to resign daw pag totoo daw po yung bank accounts. Your reaction po, ma'am?
Oo. Actually, yung listahan ng bank account na yan, bank accounts, madami yan di ba? Noong, was it 2016 na nilabas? Oo. Hanggang ngayon, may file ako niyan. Kasi nung lumabas yan, isa-isa ko pinuntahan lahat ng bangko. At tinanong ko sila isa-isa sa mga nakapangalan sa akin at yung mga accounts. Meron talagang mga accounts doon na hindi alam ng bangko, hindi ko rin alam, pero nandoon siya sa listahan. So, tinatanong ko yung bangko, bakit may ganito? Sabi nila baka non-existent talaga yan na mga accounts. So, meron akong accounting even nung mga sinasabi nilang transactions, tinanong ko din yan sa bank. Yes, after nung Senate budget hearing, pumunta ako sa House of Representatives. Sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pag-attend niya sa hearing ng Quadcom.
Ma'am, you were there until it finished. How was it po? Kasi may nakuhanan ka ng video na kumaganyan ka na, iba-iba na yung reaction. So, how was it po? How was it witnessing the hearing?
Well, pagod talaga ako nung araw na yon dahil hindi kasi namin alam kung anong mangyayari sa budget hearing. So, buong the day before at nung umaga na yon naghahanda kami para sa Senate budget hearing. So, medyo pagod ako. Nandun ako kasi, yes, sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, and usually kasi hindi siya nakikinig sa mga kasama niya. So, humingi sila ng tulong sa akin na kung anong isabi, pagsabihan, gano'n.
So, did you do that, ma'am? Humingi ng tulong, tapos did you approach him to tell him what was supposed to be,
Doon lang sa sinabi nung kasama niya na 6 a.m. pagising. Nagsimula yung araw niya 6 a.m. and mga around 10:30 p.m. na ata yun. Sinabi nung na baka low blood sugar na. So, ay hindi ko makain. So, nagpaalam ako na i-excuse na lang siya but ayaw niya. Pero, naniwala naman siya nung sinabihan namin siya na kumain na muna siya.
Pero how was it po? Kasi earlier the Senate you said you don't expect a fair trial for fair hearing po for the President. Kayo, you were there mismo. So how was it po?
Well, as a lawyer, hindi mo na talaga maintindihan kung ano ang rules na ginagamit sa mga hearings, no? And they use inquiry and investigation interchangeably. So hindi mo alam if it's an inquiry, you're a research person. If it's an investigation, you're a witness or an accused. So, saksak sinagol na kung sa Bisaya ba ang nagapanghitabo.
Okay. Ma'am, sorry, last na po. Ma'am, may mga kumalat na video. The President asked you, I think when you were about to leave na po that time, how was his performance from 1 to 10? What was your answer to him, really?
Sabi niya, kumusta yung performance ko? And I said, best dramatic actor. Sabi niya, you have to rate from 1 to 10. Sabi ko, you're at 12.
But he was rich.
Oh, yes.
Ma'am, bakit best dramatic actor?
Kayo na lang yung umintindi. Nakikita niyo naman sa ginagawa niya Kitang-kita.
Ma'am, I know na, of course, you were there at the hearing. Of course, andun din yung Kariban, si former Senator Trillanes.
Of course, hindi ko siya karibal. Saan ko siya karibal?
Pero ma'am, kasi parang nirase yung former...
Nung contest red, ha?
Nirehash na mga yung
while you were at the House Committee on Good Governance, ma'am, they handed over a letter of invitation sa Good Government and Public Accountability. Yes. What was your initial reaction po, and pupunta po ba kayo dun sa next hearing?
Initial reaction ko, siguro narinig nila yung hearing ko sa Senate kasi yung interview ko sa Senate na narinig nila kasi tinanong ako doon bakit hindi ako pumupunta sa mga hearings. Sinabi ko kasi hindi ako naiimbita. Totoo yun. Nakalimutan nata nila na imbitahin ako. Inibitan nila ako isang beses lang doon sa unang-una. Pumunta ako, umupo ako doon, hindi man nila ako tinanong kung nakikita nyo, nakaupo lang ako doon. nasasayang yung oras ko. Kaya nagpaalam ako kung pwede akong umalis. Pinayagan naman nila ako na umalis ako. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Inimbita nila ako, hindi man nila ako binigyan ng mga tanong. Pero, hindi ako a-attend na sa hearings na susunod. Kasi nandun na ako pumunta na ako, tapos wala man silang ginawa sa akin, pinaupo lang nila ako doon. Pero we plan to send a letter, we plan to say why, and then I plan as well to submit an affidavit about the confidential funds. Under oath din naman yung affidavit na yan. And for all the others, we plan to tell them kung ano yung pwede nilang gawin sa akin.
Ma'am, additional sa binanggit ni Red, though this is not new anymore, binanggit ulit ni Trillanes yung sinasabing yung kapatid niyo daw po is the drugs dealer, even if they gave your husband po na si Atty. Sabi. What's your take on this thing?
Siguro mas maayo kung sila na lang ang ato ang patubagon ni Ana. No? Sila na lang ang pasagutin natin, si Congressman Pulong Duterte and si Atty. Manasseh Carpio.
I'm sorry, I have to ask this.
Yes.
Sinabi ni Presidente sa hearing na, sige, bukas na mag-imbestiga ng ICC. Are you worried about this statement? Kasi parang palabas na rin ang Malacanang saying na if the President will surrender himself, parang wala na silang magagawa.
It's best to be answered by the lawyers. Meron din akong lawyer sa ICC, but hindi kami nagkausap kasi after nung hearing, so hindi ko alam kung anong way forward nitong ICC.
Pero you think, ma'am, the family has to prepare doon sa naging statement ni Presidente? I mean, the PRRD.
Siya siguro ang dapat maghanda kasi siya yung mauunang dalhin doon Pero sa akin, wala pa naman sabi ng mga tinatanong namin, wala naman ako doon sa complaint, wala pa ako doon sa investigation, wala pa lahat. Pero naghahanda.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.